At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for your Shopify business involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Choose a name. Decide on a name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming requirements. Ensure the name is unique and not already in use by another business entity in your state. 2. Check availability. Before proceeding, check if your chosen name is available by searching your state's business entity database. You can typically do this online through your state Secretary of State website. 3. Reserve the name, optional if you want to ensure the availability of your chosen name before formally registering your LLC. You may be able to reserve it for a short period. This step is optional and not available in all states. 4. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization, sometimes called Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization, with your state Secretary of State office. This document typically includes information such as the LLC name, address, registered agent, management structure, and purpose. 5. Designate a registered agent. Most states require LLCs to designate a registered agent who is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is formed. 6. Create an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and management structure, member responsibilities, voting rights, profit sharing, and other important details. Even if you're the sole member of the LLC, having an operating agreement can provide clarity and protection. 7. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique 9-digit number is used for tax purposes and is necessary for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. 8. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your location and the nature of your Shopify business, you may need to obtain certain licenses or permits to operate legally. Check with your state, county, and city government offices to determine what licenses or permits are required. 9. Set up business bank account. Open a separate business bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is important for maintaining the liability protection offered by the LLC structure. 10. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, you'll need to comply with any ongoing requirements in your state, such as annual reports, franchise taxes, and other filings. 11. Connect with Shopify. Once your LLC is established, you can connect it with your Shopify store by providing your business information and EIN to Shopify. This ensures that your business is properly identified for tax and legal purposes. It's a good idea to consult with a legal or tax professional who is familiar with the laws and regulations in your state to ensure that you're following all necessary steps and requirements for setting up your LLC. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.